Taskbar. It helps to manage various currently active programs opened in different windows. We can switch between these programs by clicking their icons on the taskbar. It also has the Start button, Quick Launch bar, clock, etc. Start button. It is known as the gateway to Windows and its programs. It opens the Start menu when we click on it. The Start menu is divided into two panes, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane is used to access programs or to search files or folders on the computer. The right pane features tiles which consist of various apps. The software programs are called apps in Windows 10. Quick Launch bar. The Quick Launch bar is located on the taskbar. It contains the shortcut to open various programs. Clock. On the right side of the taskbar, the current date and time are displayed. Even if the computer is switched off, your computer keeps the date and time updated automatically with the help of a small battery inside it. To update date and time, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on Clock. 2. Click on Adjust Date or Time option. 3. Toggle Set Time Automatically button off and click on the Change button. 4. Click on the down arrow to select the month, date and year as needed to select the correct date. 5. Click on down arrow button to select time as needed to select the correct time. 6. Click on the Change button. Changing the volume of the speakers. You can change the volume of the speakers from the taskbar. To do so, click on the speaker icon in the notification tray. Drag the slider towards the left or right to decrease or increase the volume of the speakers. Changing the position of taskbar. You can change the position of the taskbar and place it on any one of the four sides of the screen. To change the position of the taskbar, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the taskbar and select the Lock the Taskbar option. 2. Now, drag the taskbar to any side of the screen.